Sometimes the best knife is the one that's located right in your pocket. This one is nice and smooth. I love the texture, the looks, the feeling, and the frigid factor. Also, it opens super quick and closes just as well. The perfect knife for your outdoor adventure. So as somebody who always reviewed all kinds of knives from different companies, multi-tools and so on, I was very impressed by this little interesting looking box that I got. The black box by itself is really nice looking. It's an awesome added touch to something amazing. When you open this up, not only you have an awesome case that is very soft and it has a space for you to put your knife on here. It also looks as presentation just amazing. Now you don't have to use this for the knife, you can use it for just about anything else that you like, but it is very handy, including a cloth to go ahead and make sure your knife doesn't get too dirty. So apart from the case, which makes it very good presentation wise and a great way for you to store your knife when you're not using it, the knife itself is really awesome as well. So I wasn't expecting too much from this brand new company, but I'm super impressed. I like the way it feels very premium. The way for you to open this is you press right here and it opens up, and there is a button on one side, not on the other side, on one side you press on it and it just goes right down. And of course there is a few other ways for you to open this. So 3 ways for you to open. One, just grab your hands, open this up. Second, put your finger over here and open it just like this. And third way for you to go ahead and open is to flick it with your finger just like that, and it flicks super fast. What I like about this company so much is how premium it actually feels. I love this actual 2 different holes in here, and it looks really unique and interesting. The grip of this knife is just awesome. You can feel the quality, it feels very good, and its movements and everything about is really fine as well. And it is D2 steel, so not only it is affordable, not only it is good looking, it's also fun for you to carry in your pocket. It got a pocket clip over here, which is totally reversible on either side, so you can take it off and you can put it on the other side. It comes really nice and sharp right out of the box, and it's everything I would want in a knife all by itself. Nice looking, great knife, definitely recommended for you to get. Take a look at this a little bit up and close and personal, and you can tell how beautiful this knife is in every sense of the way. The marksmanship, the quality, the looks. This knife is top notch. It is a beauty of a knife, and it is something I should really tell you that you should definitely get. It is just a really great looking knife in every sense of the way. It looks good, it has this really premium feel to this, and it is a beauty of a knife all by itself. So definitely premium, nice looking, and it fits in the palm of your hand. So this is a really great knife, and we're going to be testing it out, how well it works under a real life test. First test is the rope paracord cutting test. Wow, cut it like a charm. Next test is a wood twig. And in a survival situation, you probably would be able to cut it off, but not chop it off. Small twig. Yeah, cut that thing. Guess under a lot of pressure, you might be able to do something out of this. Or you can just move it like this. This is why I like the surrogate edge, but it still works pretty good. Next thing, actual wood. Oh yeah. You're doing woodwork. This will do the job. And now let's go ahead and look at this Yeah, not too bad. There is no real marks on this, so definitely it does a good job, but it doesn't mess the knife up. So A plus for performance. Sometimes you get something super awesome. You get it so awesome and you're like, wow, this is amazing. Take a look at how this actual miniature suitcase actually looks like. It looks just amazing in every sense of the way. So, what is inside here? Well, let's find out. So, opening this up, we get a fancy knife. And it looks really nice. I love the presentation case, and also the wipe over here is very good for it as well. So in case it does get dirty. But the case itself blew me away. I wasn't expecting something this awesome looking to come inside of it. Now the knife itself is also really good. I like how it actually looks like, and it is a really nice and fancy looking knife altogether. Now to open this up, it's pretty simple. You go ahead and swipe it up and it opens out. It has a button over here you press on and it closes when you press the button by inertia, pretty much so. And there is a carry clip included as well. Now you can take this carry clip and you can switch it around to this side too. Now what I like about this is the different ways that you can open this up. The first way, of course, you just seen, this is the way to go. The second way for you to go ahead and open this is pretty much grab it and open just like this. But what makes it really awesome is just how it's built basically like a tank. And I like the way it feels. You can really feel the whole quality of the material. The whole thing is very metallic and it is built really nice as well. The steel here is D2 and the grip is just awesome. You get the grip and you can feel this grip is very good. You don't feel any hot spots, and when you're touching this, you can see this thing prevents you from going all the way for accidentally actually cutting yourself as you're doing it. Oh yeah, there is a third way for you to open this. I forgot. You just put your hand right here, and the Spyderco method of opening it also works on it as well. I love the beefed up look. I like the two holes. This thing screams like it is a very premium and a beautiful product. So if you're looking for an awesome knife that is unusual, different, and yet it looks super awesome, something a ninja might actually have, this is the knife I suggest for you to get. You can see how quick and fast it actually opens up and deploys. It takes a second or so for it to open up. As you go ahead and press here, it closes pretty quick just as well. One hand operation and the ability for you to go ahead and play with this around, give it some frigid fun as well. This thing is premium, it is awesome, and something that should belong in your collection or for EDC use.